actually wish that the logo of what's in this box is on there, and I guarantee that we're not going to eat something that is 15 years. Oh! Things to throw! Yes! Give me things to throw! I want to throw things! I want to destroy! I want to crush my enemies! So this is yours, so I'm going to bring this up so that we can see this. Say they gave us little visitor center bags. Aw, look. But here, this is yours. And that is mine. Go!
Ooh.
There we go! Pez.
Wow.
Wow.
It's a pretty comfortable shirt.
One of these is yours, one of these is mine, so.
How are we gonna know?
Well, just pick one and then we'll trade off later on. Or you just get to keep whatever you pick.
I like this one.
So get that one and that one. We'll just put those on the side. It is that. And there is that. And we'll, hold on. We will start with that. Yeah, these go up on your shelf, and then the Pez slide in there. I can go and I can put it on that shelf, and just walk by at random, like, I'm hungry for Pez, and just go, just grab a Pez, pull it out. The mystery compartment slides open, and I go back and I slide down the bat pole, and then I fight crime. Oh, cut that out. Who opens first? Or we open at the same time?
We open at the same time.
All right, ready? 1, 2, B. Shaggy and Scooby, just like I always wanted.
Lucas and Dustin. Ooh,
Sorry.
there's an 11 and Mike one.
Yeah, they were sold out. Or you would have had 11 and Mike. Sorry.
That's okay. I love Lucas and Dustin.
But that gives you something to hunt for now.
Yeah.
And like I said, there's certain stores I know that carry like stuff like this. But no Chief Hopper. Sorry. Okay. It's getting like that's like getting hard on the hips to do that all the time.
Yeah.
We can do. So we're gonna sign out. Which one is your favorite Pez, or what's your favorite Pez dispenser? What's your favorite Pez dispenser that we didn't even show? Maybe that will generate. Maybe we'll be like, oh, that is cool. Let's look for that. Because some of these are exclusives. So please like, comment, subscribe, and again, tell us your favorite Pez dispenser.